this is Shannon from Clean Fix TV, and today we're going to show you how to clean Ashley Black's Facia Blaster. As you can tell, I am a fan of her product, but we're not here to promote her product. We're just here to show you how to clean them. So according to the directions, she actually recommends using an antibacterial soap. We're just going to use a good old Nature Clean here, and we're just going to soap these up real quick and rinse them off. I usually let them air dry. You can always towel dry them as well, but that is basically what you're supposed to do each time you use them, is give them a quick wash. They get all kinds of oils and lotions stuck to them. But anyway, that's how you wash them, good old soap and water. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and you can always comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and take care.